Well, Colorado is in the middle of a bit of a catch-22 of sorts. We loved all that rain in the spring when it decreased fire danger, but now so much overgrown vegetation that's drying out. It's the first time in years that we've seen this type of growth, which got us wondering if counties are doing anything special to try and cut down on fire danger.
The hot summer sun leaves the grass dry. Perfect for blending in if you're a coyote or jumping off of if you're a grasshopper.
That really wet spring has created very tall grass.
But if you're a firefighter, the wet spring has you worried.
The more fuel that there is to burn, the bigger problems our firefighters and certainly our communities are going to have if a fire starts.
Eric Hurst is with South Metro Fire. When grasses get too long, it's hard for his crews to fight fires if they start.
If we have fuel length or flame length in that fuel above 4 feet, it becomes unsafe and ineffective for firefighters to do direct fire attack. So the taller the flames, the more firefighters are going to have to stay back for their safety.
Colorado hasn't seen this type of overgrown vegetation in years with the recent droughts. In Boulder, a new community tax is helping increase livestock grazing and forest thinning to try and decrease fire risk. In Douglas County, a new program will pay 75% of the cost for people to create defensible space around their homes and reduce overgrown fuels. The program has become so popular, they aren't accepting any more applications. The tall grass is good for a lot of things. Stopping fires isn't one of them.
Lots of moisture in the spring, higher fuel vegetation growth can lead to problems for us, especially if we're not receiving regular rainfall, and that's really the key to this.
Every day, fire departments work to determine the fire danger and if a fire were to start, how quickly it could spread. They use science to predict all of that, combining temperature and wind speed with how thick things like vegetation are. And that's how we get those signs all around Colorado that show how high the fire danger is on a day like today.